An enzyme that relieves torsional strain while double-stranded DNA is being unwound is option A. DNA ligase, option B. DNA gyrase, option C. DNA relaxase, or option D. DNA helicase. So the correct answer would be option B. In E. coli and other prokaryotes, DNA gyrase, a type of topoisomerase, or more specifically the topoisomerase 2, it is primarily responsible for this function. It works by introducing negative supercoils or relaxing the positive supercoils, thereby relieving the torsional strain that builds up ahead of the replication fork as the DNA is unwound by helicase.